We are so excited to introduce a groundbreaking moment in Malaysia's reforestation efforts. For the first time, we are utilizing drone technology to plant seeds, a revolutionary approach to restoring our forests. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our partners, Reforestation, ACET Innovates, and Cyberview for your invaluable support in making this project a reality. The seed balls we are using today are the result of scientific and agronomic research. The seed balls contain seeds along with a mix of natural fibers, minerals, and nutrients. These capsules are designed to create a microenvironment similar to natural seed fall conditions, thereby increasing the likelihood of successful germination. Here, the seed balls are meticulously crafted to the perfect size and then dried for optimal storage. Unlike traditional methods that may disrupt the soil structure, drone seeding minimizes ground contact, preserving the integrity of the topsoil. This approach helps create a favorable environment for seed germination and reduces erosion, which can be detrimental to newly planted seeds. The next part of the equation is the drone. Our drone, the A-22 Falco hybrid electric aircraft, is specifically designed for long flight times, making it ideal for this mission. With a payload capacity of up to 500 seed balls and the convenience of petrol refueling, this drone can reach even the most remote and inaccessible areas. Equipped with a custom-built mechanical device from Reforestation, it accurately drops one seed ball at a time. Drone seeding is up to 50 times faster than manual planting. This rapid deployment is crucial for addressing urgent reforestation needs, especially in areas affected by wildfires or illegal logging. Through advanced self-flying software programming, our drone autonomously follows predetermined flight paths, optimizing seed distribution. The use of drones can reduce reforestation costs by up to 80% compared to traditional methods. This reduction is due to the decreased manpower required and the elimination of the need of lengthy nursery growth periods for seedlings. Drones equipped with AI and data analytics can analyze terrain, soil quality, and other environmental factors to determine the best locations for seed dispersal. This targeted approach ensures that seeds are sown in areas with the highest potential for growth, taking into account factors like sunlight exposure and soil conditions. This collaborative effort demonstrates the feasibility of drone technology in reforestation, and we believe it will play a crucial role in Malaysia's journey to restore its forests.